Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to be installing a brand new seating for my TL. The reason why I just got the passenger seat only. Sorry if you guys hear a lot of background noises. There's a lot of people having fun out here, so I can't complain about that. So try and bear with me if you guys can hear me. The reason why I got it is because Acura TL seats has side airbags, as this side on my car was deployed from the previous owner. So this stopped the chair from reclining this way and that way. So I found a new chair, slightly used. The only thing that's missing is the clip or cover for this, and then I'm going to be reusing my old one of this back cover due to this. So I checked with the guy. He told me that he showed me that it's able to recline, the airbags intact, and is able to move forward and backwards. So we're gonna go ahead and I'll show you guys how to uninstall or replace the seat in general. So I started off loosening these two bolts, which only takes 4 bolts to mount to the ground, even back there. So go ahead and start on those, and then go ahead and disconnect everything under the chair. I'll show you which one was to disconnect. In order to remove these 2 front bolts and the rear front bolts, make sure the battery is still connected, so you can move the seat forward and backwards. So you can use a breaker bar or impact to loosen those bolts. And the bolt that I'm using is 14. So I know that you have to disconnect this portion for the seatbelt, and all the rest are going to be connectors. So I believe there's going to be 5 bolts in total, and then I think 6-7 connectors. So I'll show you guys that in a bit. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but you gotta disconnect the yellow one right there, this gray one, this another gray one, and then actually no, that one stays connected. And then yeah, disconnect these ones. Whatever is going through the ground up into there, just make sure those are disconnected. So once you get that done, go ahead and disconnect this portion of the seat belt. I'm taking this portion of the clip of this cover for the new seat. So whatever's missing on the new seat, go ahead and pry it off from your old seat and put it onto the new one. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this one out, and then it should be set. Right, so I was able to get this bolt out for the seatbelt, and this is actually a 14 millimeter. So what I highly recommend is at least a ratchet. It could be a full-on ratchet like those on top, or you can get one of these, wrenches or ratchets that we're called, with these type of heads, so it'll be easier to maneuver and weight in here. So it's gonna be tight. Other than that, y'all good to go. There was actually 5 bolts, 5 or 6 connectors. So I'm gonna take this out and then put it back in. Alrighty, so it's getting late and I finally installed the new one. So it's kind of dirty right now. So it does recline. Look at that. Okay, it reclines up. And then it moves backwards. You have to force it though. Goes forward. Okay, hold on. That was a big fail. There you go. You have to really force it. Okay. There you go. Install is done. Although there is one wire that's like completely hanging, which is this one. It connects to this box right here. I have no clue what this does. Apparently this seat doesn't have it. Regardless, I've took this one off of my seat. It doesn't have the holes to bolt it on. So I was kind of curious. And not only that, it didn't have the connector for it. So I was just like wondering, I was like, what is this box for? I have no freaking clue. I hope with this new seat installed, it will get rid of the airbag light, which I have. Like it was for that one right there. And Oh shit, I forgot that it has to be rebooted. So let's turn on the car. Okay. This I'm not sure, it could be the sensor for the airbag, I'm not sure. So I really honestly don't know. If you guys know what this is, please let me know, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix this. Yeah, I hope this video helped you guys out. So if anything, that's the process of changing the seat, and I'm kind of tired, but peace.